Okay, guys, like I said, I want you guys to give this a try. Just try to remember what we do in multiplying and dividing mixed numbers. Go at it, pause the video, and then in a moment we'll go over it. Okay, so like we said before, with mixed numbers, you need to convert them into improper fractions, okay? How do we do it? Like this. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. Denominator stays the same. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2, also 22. Denominator stays the same. Now if multiply across, we get that is 35. Let's go ahead and solve this real quick. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Placeholder. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. We get 484. Now again, this is correct, but not correct enough. So what do we need to do? We need to figure out how many times can we get a 35 into 484. Okay, so I usually use division for this. So let's do it this way. 484, 35. 35 goes into 48 one time. 1 times 35 is 35. Now, subtract. We got 13, and then bring down that 4. Okay, so 35 goes into 134. How many times? I'm going to guess 3, but I'm guessing, so I'm going to make sure. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So 105. All right. Now, can I fit another 35 in before getting over this? No, I can't. So I know that 3 is the accurate number. 3 times 35 equals 105. And let's see what we have for a remainder. I got to borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So in the end, I've divided. I found my whole number. I have my remainder, which is my numerator. And then I have my denominator, which is the denominator I started with. So the correct answer is 13 and 29 35ths. All right, moving over here. A little less work again because I already know what these are converted. This is going to be 22 fifths. And this is going to be 22 sevenths. Now, oops, sorry. Before I can turn that into a multiplying sign, I need to flip these. Okay, this is going to turn into multiplication. This is going to turn into 7 over 22. And we'll see what we get. 22 times 7. 14. 14 plus 1. So that equals 154. Okay, and then this one down here, 5 times 22. Well, I'll do that anyway. I think I can figure it out, but just so we have it up here. 5 times 22, 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is still 10, plus 1 is 10. We went up with 110. Okay, correct, but still improper. How many times does 110 go into 154? Once, meaning we have 154 minus 110 now. If we do that, we wind up with 44. 44 over 110. Now, we can simplify that as well, but this answer, which is correct, but meh, is much better in this form. And if we wanted to go ahead and simplify this, we know these are both even, so we could divide them by 2. Simplifying is not the point of today's lesson, though. So if you got this or an even better version of it, awesome. Okay, and if not, just keep trying. Remember, the biggest thing is multiplying and dividing mixed numbers. It's about converting the fraction into an improper fraction. Sorry, converting the mixed number into an improper fraction. Whereas with addition and subtraction, it's more about the least common denominator. Okay? All right, thank you.